everyone, so today I'll be doing an easy bridal glam look. This look is a nice metallic smoky eye look and it's super easy to recreate. If you want to know how to do it, keep on watching. So first I'll be using this e.l.f. concealer as foundation. Surprisingly, e.l.f.'s concealer works better as a foundation for me than it does as a concealer. Now I'm using this eyeshadow as an eyebrow powder, and I'm only filling in the ends of my eyebrow. Now I'm going to underline my eyebrows using Tarte Tape Shape Concealer. I also like to put concealer on the top part of my eyebrows. And now I'm trying to make sure that the concealer is blended into my skin. I'll also be using a Tarte Tape Shape Concealer all over my lid as an eyeshadow base. So now I'll be using this Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. I'll be using that eyeshadow in my crease. Now I'll be using the Jackie Aina eyeshadow palette and I'll be using this shade. And now I'm just putting it in the outer corners of my eyes to make it more smoky. I'll now be using this eyeshadow palette by Beauty Secret and I'll be using that eyeshadow on my lid. And now I'm just putting on the eyeshadow in kind of like a cut crease style, but I'm not putting any concealer on my eyelid. I'm only putting the nude color eyeshadow all over my whole lid. The same eyeshadow I used earlier on my outer eye corners to make a smoky look, I'm adding more of it to make sure my eyeshadow's nice and defined. Now I'm also making sure that the eyelid color is nice and defined. And now I'm just putting a small amount of glitter on the middle of my eyelid. I'm taking this eyeshadow from the Jackie Aina palette and I'm making a wing liner, and I'm just making it along the lines of my eye and I'm blending it out so that way it's like a smoky eyeliner effect. So now I'll be taking this shade and also putting it along my eyeliner area, but I'm going to keep it mostly along the lid. This is going to help make the smoky eyeliner look, but more metallic. Now I'm going to take the shade from the Huda Beauty palette and I'm going to put it in my inner eye corner. And I love using white colors that are matte because it's super bright and it helps make your eyes look bigger. Now I'm gonna take this shade and also put it in my inner eye corner. I like to use first a matte, then use a metallic glittery color so that I can get the most effect on my eyes, especially if you're gonna be taking a lot of pictures, it's recommended you do this to make your eyes look, more dramatic. Now I'm taking this shade from the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm also putting that in my inner eye corner. Now I'm just adding more matte eyeshadow in the inner eye corner, and I'm dragging it more onto my under eye area to create more of a dramatic eye look and to make my eyes look bigger. So since this is more of a natural look, I'm gonna just use only mascara. I'm using a mascara from Tarte, but I did forget the name. And I'm just putting a whole bunch on because I want this look to be natural, so I don't want to use any false lashes. And yeah, I'm just putting on a bunch of mascara on the upper eye and the lower eye area. So now I'm using Type Shape Tape Concealer just to highlight my under eye area and my chin area, and I'm just only doing a soft minimal contour. Now I'm using this Tarte bronzer, and I'm just gonna put it all around the outer edges of my face, and this is how I get a soft, more natural contour instead of going extreme. I'll use a lot of bronzer and a little bit of concealer. Now I'm using Juvia's Place liquid blush, and as I apply it, I like to smile to make sure I'm putting the blush in the right place. And I'm just gonna blend it out with my beauty blender. Now I'm just gonna go in with the brush to make sure it's nice and blended in and looks more natural. Making sure that I didn't put too much on my nose, and then I'm gonna use the same eyeshadow that I put in my inner eye corner. I'm gonna use it on my face as a highlighter, and I tried to only put a little bit so it looks more natural. So for this look, I decided to use this lipstick. It's a matte liquid lipstick, and I'm just putting this on. I bought it from Amazon, and I will link it down below in the description. So that's it. That's this look. I hope it's super easy to recreate. I hope all of you guys and all you brides love this look. And thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe.